Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This afternoon I was meeting a friend of mine for lunch and I arrived slightly later than I'd planned to. When I got there, I found my friend standing outside the place we were going to eat in, deep in conversation with this guy. I didn't like to intrude upon them because they looked busy with this conversation, so I left them to it and stood to one side. And after a few minutes, the guy that my friend had been talking to walked off, and I said my hellos, and then asked if that had been a friend of his. "No," he replied, "I don't know him from Adam. He was just some random bloke who came up to me and started talking." If you say you don't know someone or something from Adam, you basically mean that you've never met them before, you don't know anything about them, you've never been there before, you don't know anything about the place. So, for example, when I first moved into my house here, on the first night I was here, someone knocked on the door about 8 o'clock in the evening, looking a bit twitchy and a bit nervous, and said to me, "Yeah, hello mate, sorry, I live at number 54, I can give you my phone number if you want. Just wondering if I could borrow £10 from you, because my grandmother's in hospital in Watford and I've got to go and visit her." "Listen mate," I replied, "why should I lend you money when I don't know you from Adam?" In the same way, maybe you've realised that someone doesn't trust you or doesn't really support you in some way, and you think, well, fair enough, why should they trust me? Why should they support me in this particular instance, given that they don't know me from Adam? And maybe you might have the same experience that I had when I used to work in a very large place, where you've been working there for 10 or 15 years, but despite this, the boss still doesn't know you from Adam. When you see them on the stairs, they've no idea who you are. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use "don't know someone from Adam."